Howdy folks, it's the 12th of September, the 30th visit, and I've got here because I'm going out tomorrow on the Saturday so we're not going to do much beekeeping. You can probably see it's raining, and so I really don't want to get involved. There's not a lot to do, to be honest, so I'm literally going to take the tops off, see if everything's okay, and just feed them. You know, look at them, they're all rushing back in again now because it's starting to rain. There's pollen coming in though, so that's good. But yeah, it's amazing. They all say in the books bees don't fly when it rains, but look, they're all out here flying. So the old saying is bees don't read books. So yeah, I'm not gonna look for the queen or do anything like that. I'm just gonna feed them and call it a day, because it's just gonna make them angry. But look at the amount of pollen going in, crikey. And a wasp trying to get in there as well. See if I can get him before they just bother them something rotten. Now look at that activity considering it's raining. You can just see the rain on the top there. It's only spitting, but it's enough, and there's pollen going in there as well. Yeah, these girls are out. They're doing something as well. So not a lot to do, not a lot to see, I'm afraid. Everything's winding down. It's 17 degrees today, middle of September. Nights are coming in. It was 12 degrees last night, so nature's letting them know that it's time to wind up. So yeah, that's about it really. Right, so I'll try and do two in one here. The reason I'm doing these today is because we've got to knock that queen on the head up at the other apiary, and I don't want to I want to have the morning because I'm out again in the afternoon on Sunday, so I'm a bit stuck. So they're all rushing in. We're just literally, I'm going to just have a quick look in here. Do they need any food? Yeah, they could do with another one of those. And some syrup, but that's full. So we'll have a quick look in this other one. There's a fair bit there, and they could do with another one of those. And I'll just nip down here and have a quick look in here as well, just so you can see. That's quite full, and they've got a little bit of this left. Are they still going through that? There, they are still feeding on it a bit. So they all need syrup, and we need one of those other protein packs cut in half. So I'll go and get that, put them in, do some syrup, and then we'll call it a day, because it's starting to rain a bit harder now. Right, so here we go. I've come back with two of those. Maybe I ought to give it to them in smaller blocks. See, look, this has all gone a bit rank in there. But, you know, there's another 6 weeks to go yet until we shut down properly. So that's that. I'll just get some sugar in here, some syrup on it. Right, that's that one done. They have been nibbling this on the sides. These are the protein ones I showed at the beginning of the year, so they've been chewing at it, but not going mad. And it's quite cold now. that's that one done. Come on, you get out there. Typically they're all in here, and I'm going to now chuck all this loose stuff. Actually, I'll put that down there. Put that on there. Come on, knockers, out of the way. Like I say, there's no point taking the hive to bits for absolutely no reason. We know there's a queen in here, or there was one in here last week. So the chances of that... There's a dead wasp. No idea how that happened. Can't you out of there, you're going to drown in that. Right, so they're all good. Just get these out of here. Come on. Right. I hope it's a better week for weather next week. I'll just nip down there and do these, and then we're out of here. There's a tiny little bit in there. I'm going to leave it in there, they can finish it up, and they're going at the start of this bit, but you know, they're not woofing it down, so they've either got enough or they don't like it that much. I don't know. Right, so that was a very uninteresting and straightforward beekeeping mission. Yeah, so that was a good idea, wasn't it? Stopping. It's absolutely teeming it down now. Well, you can probably hear it on the windscreen. But yeah, no point half killing yourself and upsetting them when we know everything's in order. It's just time now. So yeah, hopefully the other apiary will be better weather on Sunday. See you next time.